The Talking Guest 1313 Nature Show.
Oh, shut up.
Right now, in the gun's natural habitat.
Oh my freaking god.
He is taking care of his territory and looking out for any lizards. The gun is kind of getting very mad. Now we're gonna show what happens if he gets mad. The gun is now trying to commit suicide, but he can't because he's in the water.
Why doesn't he get out of water?
Switching habitats. Mountain Dew.
If it takes one step
Now in the area of the Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew was created 1 billion years ago when the meteor struck. The gun is right now observing Mountain Dew.
Oh my god, if you don't shut up.
Switching habitats. Right now in a wild bridge habitat. A plant is trying to take over, but he can't because he can't move. Switching habitats.
How can't he move?
This might take a while.
Why can't he move? How can't he?
Right now in a rocks habitat.
Oh my freaking god.
Technical difficulties. Right now in an oil
Yes.
barrels habitat. Right now he is trying to contaminate the river to kill all of its prey. This is a dangerous act since he can kill himself from running out of oil. Now, oil drums are very dangerous since they can eat your internal organs if they get you.
What the hell?
Switching habitats.
What the hell? You're switching animals, not habitats. Are
Now,
you dumb?
switching to a tree.
And now you're dead.
Now, the
Ay,
the kill cam's habitat.
A mí me sorprende que se encontraron.
Now, a someone random habitat. He is trying to kill some enemies right now. Right now, the warehouse is trying to keep all of its prey inside of him.
Yes, kill somebody. You're making your team lose because we're doing this dumb nature show.
Now, to the bullet's natural habitat. They are currently trying to shoot the dirt,
Shoot a human.
but they will shoot a human soon. But they don't want to because that's a waste of time.
How is it a waste of...
Switching habitat. This might take a while since this is our first switching. Just kidding. Okay, we are about to turn to the next habitat. Now to the oil drums habitat. This is a complete group of the oil drums that were in the river.
If you don't shut up.
They group up. Technical difficulties alert. Technical difficulties. Now to a vehicle's natural habitat. Is currently trying to kill those wooden planks where we're gonna switch later.
What wooden planks?
This truck is trying to transport its prey to a perfect place to eat them. Now let's switch to the oil. Now let's switch to another habitat. Switching to the wall's natural habitat. Now to the wall's natural habitat. Technical difficulties.
Who says technical difficulties? That's not how you say it.
Now we are switching to the dead body. Now to the dead body's natural habitat.
This guy isn't gonna shut
He
up.
currently disappeared because he doesn't want to be in his shell because his family's about to get killed by a random guy. Now switching habitats. This might take a while since it's very hard to switch habitats. Now to an enemy's natural habitat. The enemy currently left to kill me. So yeah, let's kind of move very fast right now. Switching habitats.
You don't shut up, I swear.
Now to a logging camp. Logging camps are used to kill a lot of people. They are currently trying to get their prey. Now, back to the wheel. Now to the last habitat. Oh, a wheel. Wheels are currently helping the truck's habitat by contaminating and making more water for more mosquitoes. Oh no. Earthquake! 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 Cancel the show! Cancel the show!